Did you know that picking up a paintbrush or knitting a scarf could boost your happiness? According to a recent study published in Frontiers in Public Health, people who engaged in arts and crafts, even just occasionally, reported greater happiness and life satisfaction than those who didn't. The study, conducted in the United Kingdom, found a clear link between creative expression and overall well-being. But it's not just one study. Research published in the Journal of Positive Psychology found that engaging in creative activities like painting or writing for as little as 15 minutes a day can lead to a sense of flourishing, a psychological term for feeling engaged, fulfilled, and capable in life. Another study by researchers at Drexel University used brain scans to show that activities like drawing or coloring lower cortisol levels, the hormone associated with stress. So it's not only fun, it's good for your mind and body too. Whether you're a painter, a knitter, or just enjoy doodling, science says that crafting helps build confidence, reduce anxiety, and improve mental health. The simple act of creating something with your hands fosters a sense of achievement. So, next time you need a little pick-me-up, try an arts and crafts project. Your mental health will thank you.